All right, my friends, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we're checking out the ROVERTAC multi-tool. This is like a hatchet slash hammer multi-tool for camping and survival. It's a 12-in-1 stainless steel tool, stainless steel. So pretty cool thing here. First of all, it seems it's got a lifetime warranty, which is pretty awesome. No questions asked. This runs about $21 on Amazon. Well, $21.99, so $22. If you guys want to check it out, I'll leave a link in the description below. So let's move on to the unboxing here. What is this here? All right, so it has. There's this little thing here. There's like a little leather pouch thing here. We'll see. It looks like for the blade or something. Anyways, here is the thing. It almost looks like a gun holster, but it's not. We got it's a nice nylon construction. Seems heavy duty. The belt loop it's an extra wide one, so if you got one of those fatter belts or a thinner one, it's going to accommodate you there. So that's pretty cool. Let's check it out here, my friends. All right, first off, it's surprisingly heavy. I'm not like heavy, like super heavy, but it just feels like solid in your hand. So, and it does look like a solid chunk of metal here. So we got various tools here. First off, it looks like we have our little axe blade, and my goodness, that looks sharp enough to cut. That looks pretty dang sharp there. Yeah, I'd say that axe is pretty sharp. It just cut that paper. Look at that cut. There's not a tear there. It just sliced it. That's pretty insane. So no wonder they have that little cover on there. I think that's why that little leather thing they gave me was. Oh, that is cool. Okay, so it's magnetic. It's a little magnetic cover that goes on there. It's really slick. I was like, why is it holding on there? But it's like, it's got a little magnet in here, and that's a pretty cool idea. I'm liking this. So it has that, and you definitely need a cover for it because, like I demonstrated, this blade is like basically a knife blade on there. So I'm going to put this rubber guard back on there, and then maybe put this on as well. So that's pretty cool. I'm liking that. It's got this hammer thing here, and that feels like it's solid. I mean, it's a solid chunk of metal. You can see that. This feels like pretty good in the hand. All right, so let's get going here. It's got in the handle, this folds out, and we have three screwdriver accessories. So bits, so we got a thin Phillips head, and we got a thicker one, and then a flathead screwdriver, and those go right on the top there. And if you wanted to screw something in just like that, so that's super handy to have a screwdriver with you. I don't know how many times I've had to go run and get a screwdriver. That loads in from the bottom there, and it's just nice to have a screwdriver or something handy. That's why these multi-tools are nice to have, because they are multi-tools. Okay, so we got here different, we have a can opener and then a bottle opener, and I think, yeah, you can open a can with that. Okay, that is nice. Also here we have a nice file. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. And next we have this particular tool. It's got adjustable hex wrenches, assorted hex wrenches. So if you have a little bolt or something you need to unscrew, you can, as a smaller one, you could do it with that. Just slip it over there and unscrew it. So that's pretty cool. And then a little prier thing here too, if you need to pry something open or something like that. So that's sweet. And last but not least, we have a knife blade, and if it's like the axe blade, it should be insanely sharp. So let's see here. Yeah, that's sharp. So super sharp knife here. It's got a serration here as well, and then just a sharp edge here. So this thing feels not cheap. It feels like a nice quality piece of equipment here, and they have a lifetime warranty, like I said. So that is pretty sweet. Feels like it'd be a nice, definitely a handy little tool here. It fits like perfectly in this little pouch here. And if you need to, you know, take care of whatever, it's just something handy to have. It's not really gonna, I haven't worn this yet. I'm gonna be wearing it and be doing a review video. This is just the unboxing, but so far with this, I'm fairly impressed. It seems the blades are like insanely sharp. It feels high quality. It feels heavy duty. It feels solid. It feels like it would be able to do its job and it's not gonna break. So, like I said before, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. If you guys want to check it out on Amazon, you can. I'll be doing a review video and kind of testing these things out, and when I do that, I'll try to leave that link in the description below as well. So thanks for watching this unboxing. You guys have a great day. I'll see you next time.